too.
Oh, I think the elephant's going to open the gate, Olivia.
Open the gate.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, look.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Where do you live in Bali? Where you hotel?
I was staying in Bali Dynasty
Bali
Resort,
Dynasty,
just in Kuta.
Kuta, close to the beach.
Yeah, it's nice. Lots of the swimming pool's very good for the children.
So you said that we are going to the swimming pool 100% tomorrow?
Of course we're going to the swimming pool tomorrow, but today we had to come and
Yay.
see the elephants, didn't we?
Yes. There's a very low percentage we might go to the swimming pool today,
I don't
but
think
there is
so.
still a chance.
I don't think so. It's a long way back.
Where?
We've got to spend some time here with the elephants.
The
Okay.
white cow.
Oh yeah.